Hey, Jamira here, and I am super thrilled to announce Enriched and Encouraged 3.0 happening Sunday, May 17th, right here in the DMV. For those of you that are unfamiliar with Enriched and Encouraged, it is my in-person intensive experience. It is an intimate experience with the best of the best who are ready to level up their businesses. Enriched and Encouraged is all about implementation this go around. That's right. So if you have a course, something that you want to launch, a book you want to write, or a new offer that you want to get out there into the world, this go around is for you. The best part about Enriched and Encouraged is that it is all inclusive. It means all of your meals are included, the resources, the tools, the accountability, and the support. It is all included in my intensive experiences. If you want more information about Enriched and Encouraged, do me a favor, click the link below. You can also send me an email or shoot me a DM. We would love to have you this go around, and we look forward to seeing you in May. Talk to you soon. Bye.